In today's video, we are going to show you how to copy trade on Deriv. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, I want you to look for the Deriv copy trading because this is where you will find professional traders you can copy. So I want you to click the trade button. And from here, you can access Trader in your web browser or install the mobile app to start trading. All you have to do now is click the See Trader web terminal. This will forward you to another page which will provide you the platform giving you a list of traders, also called strategy providers. Now, I want you to pay attention to these key stats: risk level and number of followers and trading history. Don't just pick the highest profit. You choose someone with consistency with any low risk. So in my case, I am choosing, let's say, the BTC USD. And then all I have to do now, you see at the bottom here, there is an option to copy or subscribe. I want you to click the copy. I am choosing the deep secret broker. And then all I have to do now is click the start copying, which is free. Now, at this point, you want to make sure to set your own parameters. You can put in an investment level, stop loss, take profit, which is optional. Then click the start copying. But before you can start copying, you want to make sure that you have enough balance in your Deriv account. In a separate video, we will show you how to make a deposit. But basically, that's it for today's video on how you can copy trade on Deriv. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.